Hello from sunny Bonita Springs. This is Chris Griffith bringing you the Bonita Springs and Estero Real Estate Market Report for December of 2012. Historical real estate sales over the last 10 years in the month of December have been a little sporadic, and you can see the height of the boom year in 2004 with 222 closed units, and the leveling off it's done throughout 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012. There are probably a few closed sales that have happened since I've collected the numbers, but you can see that we've leveled off to a healthy number. So what is the condition of the real estate that's selling in Bonita Springs, Florida? People are always wondering how many foreclosures are out there, how many short sales are out there, and then we've had some really fantastic numbers that closed out the end of 2012. You can see that we've had about 95% equity sales, and what equity sales mean is there was no bank involvement, the property was not distressed, it was just a traditional sale, buyer to seller, without asking for debt forgiveness and without it being a real estate a foreclosure. We had about one half of a percent of short sales at closed sale and a little bit less than 5% foreclosures. How is that real estate paid for when it is purchased? Well, of course, cash remains king. We're about 70% cash transactions and just a minor amount of the so-called other transactions, which could include some sort of a trade or hard money. Conventional mortgage follows up second with about 27% of closed sales, and then a very small sliver of FHA financing. What price range is selling in Bonita Springs? Well, just like every other month, we're looking at the overwhelming majority, just under 80% of the property being closed sale, 400,000 and under. Most of that is 200,000 and under, and we're watching that entry level price slowly creep up. We've sold off all of this excess inventory. Things are getting much better. Um, we've got very healthy growth rates, very healthy inventory and absorption rates, which is in the next slide. These inventory and absorption rates actually include pending sales as active sales. So with the pile of pending sales and any short sales that may be pending contingent waiting for approval, it actually inflates this number a little bit. So what we're looking at is about 9 months inventory in single family homes, as well as low rise condominiums, about 18 months in mid rise condominiums, about 14 months in high rise condominiums, attached villas at about 6 months, manufactured homes at about a year. Now, these numbers are probably a little bit high because towards the first of the year, many people put their real estate on the market. So we have this little bubble of real estate that hops onto the market for our busy tourist season that usually goes December through Easter, and Easter is March 31st this year. So people are looking, if they're looking to sell their real estate this year, put it on the market, and it's actually artificially inflated that number. We're a little inventory short, especially under 400,000, so you'll be seeing a lot of this stuff be absorbed and move off the market quickly. And that's it for what's going on in the Bonita Springs real estate market. If you have questions, feel free to give me a call at 239-273-7430. You can call or text me at that number. Visit my website at lifeinbonitasprings.com. And of course, you're always welcome to email me at lifeinbonitasprings@gmail.com. Have a great 2013. Happy New Year.